Look at these clouds, they're coming again. It was very heavy rain, like the heaviest I've seen, and very strong wind, really, really strong. You can actually see how I kept safe. The outdoor furniture, I put it on the top because everything was flying. And but from every negative thing, we can find something beautiful and positive, isn't it? This is Grace. Look, she's shining with all these drops of rain. She's so shiny. Oh my God. I really like it. I really, really like it. And she's doing really good. Look, it is raining like mad, but it's still, she's doing really good. I'll show you other roses on the other side quickly before these clouds come in. The sun is disappearing slowly. Let me show you quickly how shiny the flowers are under the rain. Oops. Look, that was Bliss Parfuma before. This is Prince de Monaco, Jubilee Prince de... Oh my God, look how beautiful is that. How shiny. I really like it. Oh my God. Look, this is Alpine Sunset. It smells really, really strong scent. It's got really good strong scent. Look, with the drops, water drops, looks magic. My God, I love it. Look at this one. I really like, after the rain is drooping a bit, but it gives kind of like magical vibes, and I don't know how to say it. It's like it's everything is inside me, and I can't really explain how beautiful. Duchess of Cornwall. Oh my God, I like how it looks. It's hiding from the rain. Matthias Claudius, look at that. Oh, Rosarium Utersen. All these drops looking wonderful. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, I love it. Oh my God, look at this. It's going to be a nice picture. Wow. Miyabi. On a half-open bud, it looks nicer. Look at that Brera, Italian rose. Oh wow. This is Brera. Wow, it's magic. It's magic. It's very difficult to do videos and photos on the red color. Oh my God, look at that. That is Capri. Looks stunning. Capri looks fantastic. Let me go this way. Let's see what else is open. Minerva is not doing great, you can see that. But we know that lady doesn't like rain. And that is, I think the name is Raspberry Parfuma. That is the real name, from Cordes, from Parfuma collection. It smells really nice, by the way. And look, the color. Oh my God. This is one of my favorite, to be honest, rose, with the color and how she blooms and how she keeps the flowers. The flies hide it as well. Okay, that is Scheherazade, Japanese rose. Looks stunning with the drops as well. That is my boy, Atos. This is Gabriel Oak, open today. Oh, again, with this color, it's so difficult to show the reality, but I think at least you can have an idea of what I mean about this beautiful view. Yeah, that is young Glacides. Doing really fantastic. Look, under the rain. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't stop. I can't stop. And look that Theodore Fontaine. Oh, look at this one. Oh my god. Oh, she's cute. Oh, she's beautiful. Look at the petals, the form of the petals. Oh my god. It's beautiful. Oh wow. Oh wow. And look at the weather. Oh my god, it's coming. It's coming. It is coming. What else we have? What I want to show you also. Oh yes, this one here. It is Bijou Italian rose. Wow, wow, wow. Bijou. It's beautiful bijou. Very nice. Like a candle shining from the inside. This is what my friend says when she sees roses like that. Oh my god. And I'll show you something else. Look at the amazing day. And let me show you something else. And that is Sarah Elizabeth, New Zealand rose. She is stunning. The color, such a beautiful color. Oh wow, look at that. Does it smell? Let me try. It's early to say, to be honest. Wow, stunning. And this is Bad Birnbach, Cordes rose. Oh, beautiful as well. Oh my god. It's gonna be lots of nice pictures today. You have a wonderful evening. See you soon. Bye-bye. I just want to show you how he's bored with me because I'm walking around taking pictures, sniffing roses, and he got really bored.